Yeah!
Okay.
No. Okay. Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Today we have a very special car. First time we're gonna work on this Audi. What kind of Audi?
Oh, that's Audi e-tron GT RS.
Yeah, brand new car straight from dealership. And here I have Daniel with me, who will explain what we're gonna do with it, what we're doing with it.
So we're having this car is getting a PPF front kit.
Yep.
So we do the bonnet, we
Yes.
do the fenders,
Yes.
we do the mirror, and we do the roof because this is carbon fiber and the customer wants it to be absolutely protected. What we don't do,
Yeah, that's weird.
what we don't understand,
Bumper?
the customer don't want the bumper.
Bumper, don't want bumper.
The most important thing, bumper, he don't want.
Well, it's customer's choice, yeah?
Michael from Russia, why you always said no bumper? He says there's not much paint to protect, but still there are stone chips coming on this
Front, most important part.
Look,
headlights,
look at
bumper.
this.
Yeah.
It's still, I mean, there's wind and there are some stones like coming here. What? So it gets destroyed first. But we always do what the customer wants. So yeah.
I'm guessing he will come back in a couple months. And it's like, you were right. Let's do bumper as well.
I think no, that's a presentation car. So
okay.
So it will be sold. So after that they don't care anymore. Maybe if the customer just looks here and says, oh no, this is really good, and don't look here.
Okay.
But if you got a picky one, he will
will
go
look
down
for it.
and he will say, oh my god, this is all full of stone chips. Why didn't you tell me that?
Okay.
I don't buy it anymore now. So
Okay,
we don't
this
care.
is demo car for Audi in Dortmund, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. No, it's Rosier in Menden, but it's a very big car dealership.
Oh, okay.
Shout out to Michael.
Okay.
Again.
Okay, Michael. Yeah.
All right, so let's
Start with the bonnet, yeah?
go for it.
We have material.
Yeah.
Bond, you see? Bonnet.
Oh, we have to get you wet, man. He's always like.
Yeah, we already did this first step. We clay barred and all panels which we're planning to wrap. And now we're gonna spray water, wipe it down, and then we'll use gel for installation or...
Yeah, gel.
Yeah, and
gel is best.
yeah, and we'll use gel for installation.
What an awesome tool. That's the stuff.
Yeah.
Best buy since race wraps.
Okay. I was thinking to buy today, but when I saw the price, I was like, next time.
Next time? Next month.
Next time. Well, Daniel will pay me for this job. I will maybe be able to afford it.
All right. Okay, let's go.
Oh, kid. Okay, there's no time for jokes. We're gonna do PPF. Time is a key. Going to be very fast and very slow. In meantime.
That really works out really good because it's electrostatic. So if you pour water on it, spray water on it, it's not that static.
Well, that's static.
What do you call it?
Is it static?
Electric.
Static.
It's not loaded up with electrons.
Electrons. For Germany? as you know, guys, we never cut through the PPF on the panel. To lift it and show you. See, I just cut all the way on this edge, but I didn't cut it through. Because many customers scared that you're gonna cut the paint, but PPF, you just score the top coat and then you tear it. I was cutting, like trimming, just scratching top coat all the way, and I cut through when I was off the panel, and then I can grab this and I can tear like that. In this case, look, I will lift you again. Look, boom, we haven't cut it through. We just scratch the top coat. And every single professional installer should know how to do it.
What you have to be careful about is when you like do a lot of things with water, and because you have electric car here, you have to really be careful, because if you spray like here and there's electric cable like here, you go, oh, there you go, like that, you know.
You need to be careful, it's electric car. You can be electrocuted, something like that.
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Bonnet already is done, and now we're preparing roof. And in 10 minutes, the roof will be finished as well. That's super easy.
Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
After this panel is done, we're gonna do mirrors and everything will be ready. It took us less than 2 hours to do all these panels. I think it's good enough. Yeah, Daniel?
Yeah. What?
What? One tip, if you do full front, keep car overnight and check it tomorrow. Because fresh eyes see more things than your tired eyes. Yeah. Like today, we finished entire car, and tomorrow morning we'll check it, seal the edges, and then it's gonna be ready to go. Yeah? Yes, Adam?
Yes, my eyes are really... Yes, much better. He's absolutely right. Yeah, check tomorrow, then you will be fresh.
Fresh, yeah. Then call customer and say your car is ready. And this car will be collected on tow truck because this car is not registered, it's demo car for Audi dealership. Oh yeah. So we ended this project, but car is still dirty. We will need to clean it tomorrow. Just do a quality check and clean it, and then we'll wait for tow truck. Yeah. Because as I understand, this car will go back to dealership on tow truck.
That's right. We get our car back, and
Okay,
because it's there for inspection, and then yeah, this boy goes back. No, we get another SQ7 tomorrow.
Oh, SQ7.
Yeah.
Okay. PPF.
I think PPF as well. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
And we get the Maybach tomorrow.
Nice. Can't wait for that. What do you think about this color? This is very specific color.
Yeah, I like it a lot. We actually, that's a color match from Orafall, I think was it? Yeah, Orafall. It's called Urban Green, and we wrapped it about 5 times now.
Okay.
On different cars. Looks really good, but yeah, I've never seen one in a real paint color.
Paint color, yeah.
It looks identical. It's really good.
Because for me it was the same, you know, I first time saw that color. When I seen first time this car coming, it's like, it's a wrap?
Yeah.
Because I didn't know that they're painting them.
I thought so too. Yeah. And then I looked inside and I saw, oh man, all these little things.
Good job done.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. It's me, Virus, and here is Daniel from Checkmat. You can check him on the Instagram and Facebook, and even you have YouTube channel as well.
That's right. We didn't do much last time, but I think we will keep it alive a little bit more now. So yeah, it would be nice to like have some new followers there. Yeah.
Go there and follow him. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
See you.